If you're new here, welcome to our channel, Derek and Cole, where we like to travel, tour, and explore new things each and every week. Hi guys, it's Nicole and it is day 2 of our Disney cruise. So we got up this morning, we went to Marceline Market, then we kind of walked around, got a coffee, sat on the deck, and are just getting ready for the day. We're gonna go draw Captain Minnie next. Hopefully we get a seat, so maybe I'll take you along for that. But we're so excited to finally start the second day of our cruise. It's been a really busy first couple days of our trip, but now we're here, we're starting to get into the groove of everything, relaxing and just ready to have fun. We're gonna try to do as much as we can, see what all we can fit in, and just really see what you guys can do on a Disney cruise for a day at sea. So if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below and come along with us for this adventure. Oh. This is the longest we've gone without anyone scoring. Oh. Derek scored. The other thing that we just did that I wanted to mention was we actually went to one of the jewelry stores. We're just kind of burning some time, so we told them that we weren't buying anything. The one necklace was $165,000. They even said I could try it on. They said come back later when we got dressed up for formal night tonight to try it on. I've never put on an almost $200,000 necklace before, so that's definitely going to be an experience, and we are just so excited for the rest of today. Kind of similar. I think we need to work on our drawings though a little bit.
Really good. What did you think, Minnie?
Oh no, I think it's beautiful. Hey, Minnie? Yes, I think she thinks so too.
Could we get a picture?
Of course, yes.
Okay, so it's still day 2 of our Disney Treasure cruise, and we just came back to our hotel room real quick to grab a few things, drop a few things off before we go up and grab some food. But we just saw the Seize the Adventure show. We heard this was one of the best shows and some fan favorites with people who have been on the ship before. It was so cute. You got to see a lot of the different characters. They did a matinee today at 2, which is really nice, so we didn't have to fight the crowds later in the night. We saw Elsa from Frozen. Hercules was one of the main male characters. We saw the turtles from Finding Nemo, Crush, and all of his little friends. So I highly recommend going and seeing it, and I highly recommend if there's a matinee show, trying to get into that one, because at least if that one gets full and you miss it, then you know you really have to catch the night show. We got there about a half an hour early. I grabbed popcorn in a popcorn bucket. So just a great little theater show. It was about 30 minutes. We loved everything about the show. Now we're gonna go grab some food, and I think we're gonna finally decorate our door. Okay, Derek wants to say something about the show.
Well, not really about the show. But speaking of great singers, we have one in store for tonight.
Who?
She's behind the camera.
Me?
Yeah.
What are we doing, karaoke?
Our waiter last night.
Oh.
He's hilarious.
Oh yeah, our waiter's
and he
so
was
funny.
he was like, who's a good singer?
Oh, wow.
In our party, and it's Nicole.
No, I am not singing. Nicole is not a great singer. Nicole loves to sing, but I am not a great singer, so I will not be doing any public singing on this ship. But our waiters are so funny. I can't wait to see them at the Coco restaurant tonight. Derek's putting up the creepy cloth right now, but you're gonna have to get the bottom of it too.
I go like this.
Yeah, so it doesn't grab the bottom and top, so it doesn't get caught in the door when we go. Yeah.
Or should I do it with this?
Okay, now let's get this side.
I don't remember you buying this.
I bought that without you. Oh, that's why you don't remember.
Something like that.
Yeah, now it looks nice and spooky, kind of.
Oh, maybe a little more even.
Yeah, that's good. It can be uneven because it's supposed to be spooky. Okay, so we have our creepy cloth, and we got our little kind of fish extender. I got a skeleton bag there. I'll tuck this behind here. There we go, making it look creepy. Now, Derek, we have that other sign too. So let's do the same thing with this sign. Here, I'll hold the magnets. Let's see, let's stretch it out.
When did you get this?
I got this when I went shopping too.
Wait, this probably got to be lit.
Here, let's hold on. I'm gonna turn this off for a second. Let's figure this out. No. Phase 3 of our decorations is the garland over the creepy cloth, and now we just gotta do the magnets.
I know what phase 4 is.
Phase 4 is the magnets now. Magnet time. You can rearrange these even later, but let's see. We have some Stitch ones. Oh yeah, we have his body too. Here. Holding his nice little coconut drink. We gotta get some Stitch ears. And then we have Ohana, which means family. Or should we stick that down here or up here?
We ate there too and gained 10 pounds last
we
week.
did eat at Ohana this trip. That is so perfect. How's that? Super cute. I think that's cute. We got Stitch and Halloween. So we got cruising and Halloween all in one door. Okay, we're currently at the Skipper Society. It's really loud and crowded in here, but we are going to start trivia. So Derek's getting a drink. Is this one, Derek?
Skipper Sipper.
Skipper Sipper, but we're starting trivia, so gotta go. But
You got over 5.
we got 13, but we definitely missed some.
Over 15.
Okay, so we just left the grand lobby area. It is formal night, so we are all dressed up, ready to go. Everyone here has ball gowns on, suits, so we might be a little underdressed. I have a full length dress on, but it's more of a summery dress. But I will say people here get really dressed up, and it is so fun. So keep that in mind if you're coming on one of the Disney cruises for formal night. People do go all out. So we're going to Coco tonight for formal night. We are super excited. I'll probably show you our outfits later. Derek just has a Burberry polo on, which isn't the most dressy, but it works. We know now for next time. But today's been another fabulous day. We did trivia. We sat on the deck, ate ice cream. We got the little cantina food for lunch. We did a drawing class of Captain Minnie, and then we also did the adult crafting class, which was making little book bags. So that was fun too because it was 18 plus. We didn't do so hot when we did trivia. We only got 13 out of 20. It was so much fun. Definitely packed. Super excited to take you to dinner again tonight. And again, so happy it's formal night.
Hey Nicole, I took over your camera.
Okay, the shrimp is really good. It's not chewy. It has a really good grilled flavor. There's a little bit of onion in here as well. The potatoes are kind of simple, but they're also super good. The potatoes are really good overall. This is a really great appetizer. I highly recommend this shrimp if you come to the Coco restaurant on the first night. I think the appetizer has a tiny bit of spice to it, but nothing too crazy. It's really, really good. Okay, I'm trying the croquettes.
We had croquettes at home that we got, remember? And they were
I don't remember. I can't put my finger on what the taste is.
yeah.
I think the shrimp was the better appetizer, but this is still really good. It's a lot of cheese though. So the pasta to me has kind of a lime zest to it. Tastes really good, tastes really fresh, not too heavy for a pasta dish. I think it's pretty good.
What's your final
Okay,
review?
let's try the coconut cake. The coconut cake is so good. It's really fluffy, but yet it's soaked. It's definitely coconutty, but not too overwhelming. Really good.
That's good, I like it.
Okay. Okay, we're going to see what our towel animal is, or blanket animal, depending. Let's see. Do we not have it? Oh, it's a sloth. Oh my god, that is so stinking cute. And they put my Mickey ears on it. Oh my god, let me get closer. How stinking cute is that? Oh my god, I love it. So one of the last activities we did on our first day at sea, second day of the trip, was go to a little dance party with Daisy, Minnie, and Pluto. And then we also got to meet Chip and Dell in their formal night finest. It's absolutely crazy how much we packed into each day of this trip.
Oh, your dress is adorable. Thank you. You're welcome. And the turtle bag too. So cute. We have signature Chip, so that's why I wanted to come meet you guys. Oh, of course. You have to show the picture to the cat too.
Oh, okay, I'll show you. He has my phone, but yeah.
Yeah, should we take a picture?
So right now we're at the very front of the ship. I was just pretending to do like Titanic because we are just literally at the very frontmost place you can be on the ship. Definitely feels like Titanic, except it is not cold. We are right next to Cuba. So Cuba's to our left, Florida is kind of to our right now. And you can see all the towns over in Cuba lit up, which is kind of crazy. A whole community of people just living over in Cuba, doing their own thing as we sail by, which is so interesting to me. And then the captain did say around 1 a.m. we'd be going past Havana and that it would be lit up really bright. But we can already see a whole bunch of stuff lit up over in Cuba. So we are able to come on the front of the ship tonight. We were not able to last night because it was so windy. So it's kind of fun to be up here. No one else is really up here. It was formal night, so there was a lot going on tonight. So I think a lot of people are tired and probably in their staterooms. We're also gaining an extra hour tonight. So the clocks are gonna flip back 1 hour for the time change as we head to Cozumel. Yeah, we're having so much fun. Formal night was a lot of fun. We ate at Coco tonight. Coco was a really good. The appetizers were great. Everyone really liked their dinner. I started out with a fish dinner and then I got a pasta dinner. I wasn't a huge fan of the fish, but that was just me. It wasn't anything wrong with the fish. The fish was good. It just wasn't, you know, something I typically eat. I want to try something different, but it didn't end up quite being what I love. But Derek really liked his dinner. Dessert was amazing. Again, our wait staff was really, really great. And we just had an absolute fantastic second day. We did so much today. We finally got some treats in our fish extender today, so I have to go pass out all of our treats that we made. I made a whole bunch of packs of friendship bracelets for everyone, so I'm super excited to pass those out. We are having a fantastic time on this Disney cruise. Disney Treasure is absolutely amazing. Everything has just been so great so far. Oh, we went to a dance party. We went to a formal night welcome party. There's just so much going on these ships. Oh, and we saw one of the first kind of like Broadway style musicals. It was so great, so many characters. I highly recommend going to it. I'm gonna end this video here. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below. Give this video a like because it really helps us out, and stay tuned for our third day on the Disney Treasure. Thanks guys, bye.